Hi, I am Preeti. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 6.5 from question number 3. So, what is question number 3? In figure, ABD is a triangle, right angle at A. So, angle A equals to 90 degree and AC is perpendicular to BD. So, AC is perpendicular to BD. These two things given. Okay. So we have to show that. So we will see one by one. Okay. AB square equals to BC into BD. Okay. So where is AB? AB is here. BC is here, and BD is here. Correct. Why I am checking where it is? Where is AB? Where is BC? So that we can find out which two triangles I have to make similar, so that we can easily find out this calculation. Okay. So we can find out AB, BC and means we have to take this big triangle also. Then only we can find out BD. Okay. So from triangle this ABC and triangle this big one ABD. Okay. Means ABC, this is small one and this big one. Correct. In both the triangle, one is 90 degree, this and this. So in ABC, that is small, in a small one, angle BCA is 90 and that big one, angle BAD is 90. Right. Now the second one, this is common in both the triangle, right? So angle CBA equals to angle DBA, right, which is common, right? So the third angle will automatically be equals, right? So according to angle similarity criteria, both two triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABD. Means both two triangle will be similar, right? So what is the similarity criteria? That corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. So we will find out corresponding sides. So this is right angle. So AB. So means opposite of this right angle is AB. In this big triangle, this is right angle. So opposite of this right angle is BD equals to, this is common. So is in a small triangle, as opposite of this angle is CA by in big triangle AD, and the rest one is angle this. So angle this means BC, and in big triangle rest is this, means opposite of this angle is AB. Right. First we will calculate all the three ratio, then we will find which two I have to use. Okay. So AB square, how we can find out AB square? This and this, right? So we will use first and second. AB square equals to, so cross multiplication. So AB square equals to what? BD into BC, right? BD into BC, right? Same thing we have to prove, right? So this is done now. Okay. Now the second one. What is the second one? AC square equals to BC into DC. Okay. So let's see where is AC. AC is the mid one, BC is this one, and DC is this one. Means this is small triangle and this is small triangle. Okay. So we will take triangle ABC and triangle this ACD, right? So for that, first we will do one thing which I already explained in question number 2. Okay. So this is for this triangle, this will make this should be equals, then only we can find out these two triangles are similar. So since this is 90 degree, right? So instead of angle A equals to 90 degree, can we write down angle BAC plus angle this CAD. right? Means BAC this plus angle CAD this. This is equals to what? 90 degree, right? Now in this triangle, okay, this is 90 degree. That means angle this plus angle this equals to 90 degree. Means angle CBA this plus CAB equals to 90 degree. I already explained why. Because the sum of these three angles is 180 degree. So 180 degree minus this 90 is this 2 means sum of these two is 90 degree. Okay. So make it as A, make it as B. From equation A and B, this will be equals to this, right? So angle BAC plus angle CAD equals to angle CBA plus angle CAB, right? So angle BAC CAB both are same, right? See, BAC means this angle and CAB this angle. So this we can cancel. That means angle CAD equals to angle CBA. Okay. Now we will take these two triangle, not here. Okay. First, let's calculate this equals to this. Make it as C. Okay. Now, where is CAB? Sorry, CAD this and CBA this. These two are equals. This and this. Okay. Now we will take ABC and ACD. Okay. From triangle C, ABC and ACD. ABC and ACD. Okay. In both the triangle, one angle is 90 degree. So angle BCA in triangle ABC, this is 90 degree. So BCA equals to this is 90 degree. In angle ACD, okay, in this triangle and in this triangle, this one is 90 degree and this one is 90 degree. Means BCA is 90 degree and ACD is 90 degree. Means BCA equals to ACD. BCA equals to angle ACD. And one more thing which I already proved now from equation C. We will write down that angle also. Okay. This CAD equal to CBA. Means in this triangle CAD equals to CBA. So first we will write this. Okay. So CBA equal to CAD. CBA equals to CAD, right? I will draw it that picture here also, so it will be easy for us. Okay. A, B, D. Okay. Now we are taking these two triangles, right? So now BCA, this is 90 degree. Okay. And ACD, this is also 90 degree, correct? So in both of the triangle, this is 90 degree. Okay. Now CBA means this equals to CAD, this angle. So this equal to this, correct? So according to angle similarity criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ACD, right? So that corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. So what are the corresponding side? Since this is 90, so AB in this triangle, this is 90, means AD equals to this is equals to this. So opposite of this is AC by this CD equals to the rest angle. This means CB, and in this is the rest one, that means CA. correct? So CA is here, CA is here. So cross multiplication for these two. So CA square equals to CD multiplied by CB, right? Or BC multiplied by DC. Same thing. So same thing we have to show, right? So this is done now. Now the third one. So in the third, AD square equals to BD into CD, right? So AD, where is AD? AD is here. BD is here, and CD is here, correct? That means we have to take this small triangle and then this big triangle, correct? So triangle ABD and triangle, this is small, ACD, right? So same rule we will follow for the like this. ABD this big and this small, correct? Means same thing like we already explained in first option, third of first. Okay, when we are solving AB square equal to BC into BD, the same logic we will apply here also. So in this small triangle ABD and this big triangle ABD and this small triangle ACD, okay? So how we will make it similar? See, since angle D is common in both the triangle and one is 90 degree here, and in small triangle this is 90 degree, right? So let's write one by one. In ABD, this is 90 degree, correct? So DAB, this is 90 degree, and this small triangle, this is 90 degree, means angle ACD, this is 90 degree, okay? Now angle D is common in both the triangle, so we will just write angle D equal to angle D, which is common, right? So according to angle similarity criteria, both triangles ABD and triangle ACD are similar, okay? So if they are similar, that means their corresponding sides are proportional, correct? So since this is 90 degree, in first we will take ABD. So ABD in this big triangle, angle A is 90 degree, so BD by this AD equals to angle D is common, correct? So AB by AC equals to the third angle is this, so AD by the third angle of this means CD, right? Now what we have to calculate? AD square. So where is AD? AD is here and AD is here, means we will take these two, okay? So AD square equals to what? BD into CD, right? So BD into CD, correct? So BD into CD, so the same thing we have to show, right? So this is done now, okay? So the question number 3 has been done, okay? Now question number 4. What is question number 4? ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at C. You know what is an isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal, right? So if we have one ABC, BC, this is an isosceles triangle and C is a right angle. So angle C equals to 90 degree, and also isosceles means AC equals to CB. Why this AC equals to CB? Why not this? Because we know in right angle triangle hypotenuse will be always greater than other two sides, okay? So this will be equals to this, not this, correct? So AC equals to CB, okay? Now we have to prove that AB square equals to twice of AC square, okay? Now as per theorem 6.8, that Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to sum of square of other two side, means AB square equals to AC square plus BC square, right? This is right angle triangle, so we can use that Pythagoras theorem, correct? So hypotenuse square equal to AB square AC square plus BC square. Okay, now AB square equals to AC square plus, instead of BC what we can write, instead of BC we can write AC, correct? Because these two sides are equal, so instead of BC we will write AC, so AC square, correct? Now AB square equals to AC square plus AC square, what? Twice of AC square, correct? Simple. This is proved now, right? Now question number 5. What is question number 5? ABC is an isosceles triangle with ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC, given that EC equals to BC, means this equals to this. Okay, if AB square equals to, also it's given that AB square equals to twice of AC square, so prove that ki ABC is a right angle triangle. Okay, means just the opposite of this. Okay, so since it's given that ki AB square equals to twice of AC square, okay, so we can also write it as AB square equals to AC square plus AC square, right? Because twice of AC square equal to AC square plus AC square, right? So instead of AC, can we write down BC? Yes, because it's given. That means AB square equals to, instead of AC I am going to write BC, so BC square plus AC square, correct? So see, in this triangle AB square equals to BC square plus AC square, means hypotenuse square equals to sum of the square of other two sides, correct? So we can say that according to this, you can say that as per Pythagoras theorem, triangle ABC is right angle triangle. The same thing we have to prove, right? And also we can mention angle C equals to 90 degree, correct? So this is done now. Okay, now question number 6, I will solve it in the next page. Okay, so what is question number 6? ABC is an isosceles triangle, sorry, equilateral triangle. You know what is equilateral triangle? All sides are equal in equilateral triangle. So if ABC is a equilateral triangle of side 2A, means this is 2A, this is also 2A. Okay, find each of its altitudes, means altitudes is what? This perpendicular. If we will draw one perpendicular to this, so we have to find out this. Let's say this is D, so AD equals to what? We have to find all altitudes. All altitudes are equals in this equilateral triangle. Okay, so if we are able to find one, so all will be equal. So we can say maybe if this is EF BE, so BE equals to AD. So if we will find out AD also, that is enough. Okay, so now in this equilateral triangle, this altitude divides this BC in two parts, means BD equals to DC. Okay, we can directly write it as BD equals to DC as per equilateral triangle property, and we can also prove that. Okay, so how to prove that? Let's see. In from triangle ADB and triangle ADC. Okay, I am taking this triangle and this triangle. Okay, in both the triangle, this is 90 degree, correct? So angle BDA equals to angle ADC, which is 90 degree, and AD is common in both the triangle, correct? So AD equals to AD, which is common, and AB equals to AC as 2A. AB equals to AC 2A, because this is a equilateral triangle. Okay, so one is 90 degree and that hypotenuse is equals, and then one side is equal. So according to right angle hypotenuse side RHS property, these two triangles are congruent. Means according to RHS similarity criteria, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. Okay, so means these two triangles are congruent. So what are the congruent property? If two triangles are congruent, that means ki other corresponding side will be equal. So this already is equal, this is common. So the what are the third one? BD. So BD equals to, in this triangle, DC. Correct? And if you don't want to do this, you can also write down key in this equilateral triangle, this altitude bisect the third one, means BD equals to DC. Okay, now we will see in triangle, from triangle ABD. Okay, this triangle ABD, this is a right angle triangle, correct? Because angle this ADB is 90 degree, correct? So according to Pythagoras theorem, that AB square equals to, means hypo square equal to sum of the square of other two side. That means AB square equals to AD square plus BD square, right? Now what is AB? AB is 2A. So 2A square equals to AD, that we have to find, correct? So AD square plus BD. What is BD? BD equals to BD and DC both are equals. That means if this is 2A, so BD, what will be the BD? BD and DC equals to A, right? Because the whole one is BC. So instead of BD, can we write A square? Yes. Now AD square equals to 2A square plus A square, correct? Or we can write AD square equals to 4A square. Sorry, this will go this side, so this is minus. Means AD square equal to 2A square, and this plus will go there, so it will become minus. Means 4A square minus A square. That means AD square equals to 4A square minus A square equal to 3A square, right? That means we can say AD equals to root 3A. Correct? So that now we are able to find what is the altitude. AD equals to 3A. So similarly we can say that since all altitudes are equals in an equilateral triangle, so all altitudes will be root under 3A. Okay, so this is done now. Okay, so if you have any doubt in this question, please write in the comment section. Also like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.